Hello everyone. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be cash planning $500 for our next cash stuffing. It is the Saturday after Thanksgiving, and to be honest, I'm feeling a little depresso, if you know what I mean. The holidays kind of get me down sometimes. So to combat that, first of all, I have some coffee brought to you by Kroger K-Cups, not sponsored. And I figured I would do some cash planning because oddly enough, that makes me feel better. Maybe it's like a control thing. So if you want to grab your coffee and do a little cash planning with me, that'd be great. We're going to be budgeting $500 for this next week. And today's date is, what is today's date? Alexa, what date is it?
It's Saturday, November 30th.
Oh, the 30th. Didn't even know. Okay. I've just been in like a little time warp, I guess, with the holidays, not paying attention to what date it is. Okay, so we are going to start out with my wallet here. Let me put this over here, actually. You can go right there. I'm going to take another sip first. Oh, it's hot. Okay, so we're going to start out with my wallet. This basically stays the same. Groceries is going to get $80. Dining out, $40. Gas, $25. And Aria, $10. So if we start with 500 minus 80 minus 40 minus 25 minus 10. We are left with $345. And I just like to write it right here because this calculator kind of jams sometimes and I don't want to lose track of where I'm at and have to do all the calculations all over again. So let's put that one back. And then let's go towards our high priority binder here. Okay, so for high priority, we have our cell phone bill. This one needs to get $10 a month. Sorry, $10 a week to get us to where we need to be for the next time we need to pay it. Debt, we're not going to do a ton in here because we don't have as much this time. So let's do 20. Hair needs 30 for the next time we get it done. Merry money, I think we have a decent amount in here, but let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 120, 140, 150, 60, 70, 85, 185, and I just bought some presents and I spent about $100. So we have essentially $85. So let's add some more to that. Merry money. Let's do, I don't know, 20. Road trip. This is coming up in a couple weeks. And currently we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 90. Let's just do 10 and make this an even 100. I'm going to Greenville, South Carolina, which is about like 3 hours away. So this is like gas money, money for snacks and stuff on the road. So I feel like 100 should be plenty, but we'll see. All right, transportation. We need $50 a month for our car insurance, which is a lot, but it is what it is, I guess, as they say. Wellness, we just pulled 40 from here, so let's just do 10 in wellness. And let's see where that leaves us. Subscriptions. We're just going to put 10 in here. Okay, let's see where we're at. I have to start over. Minus 30, minus 20, minus 10, minus 50, minus 10, minus 10. Okay, 185. Oh my goodness, how quickly the money flies. But that's okay, because we're planning for future expenses, and that's a good thing. Okay, so next, let's see what we have going on. We're gonna do, let's do sinking funds next. Okay, so sinking funds is next. We have car care. I think we're just gonna do a 5. Entertainment, we're gonna maybe skip this one. I haven't pulled from this 20, 45, maybe just a 5 in here. I know that with Christmas coming up, I do want to take my daughter out to like see lights and stuff and do all the Christmassy stuff with her. Furry Friends, I do think we can skip this one because it has 20 in there, so we're going to skip that one for now. Gift has 25. I feel like we should put another 10 in here. Household has nothing, so we definitely need to put something in there. Let's do 10. Miscellaneous has a decent amount, so I think we're going to skip that one. Medicine, I just got refills, so I should be good. We're going to skip nails, and we're going to skip self-care. Okay, Aria's section for her random stuff. Let's see, she has 10 and 15 in here, so I think we're going to skip that. Let's do, maybe not, I don't know. Oh, it's so hard to decide. Okay, let's put 5. Back to school, we'll do 5. Birthday, I think I'm going to skip this only because I know that in my wallet I have leftover money that I didn't spend on her this week for her little category, because I didn't she was with her dad this week, so I can just stick that 10 in here for her, and that'll be great. And then clothing, clothes are so expensive, so let's do 5 for clothing. College fund has 20 right now. Let's do, I guess, 5 for college. And then school will get a 5 as well. And then let's see where we're at. So 185 minus 5 minus 5 minus 10. Oh my goodness. Okay, I just really need, I guess, a different calculator. 185 minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 minus 10 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. 130. Is that correct? 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 55. I guess I could have just done it like that. 185 minus 55. 130. Okay. Not too bad. So 130. Let's keep it going. Okay, so that's this binder done. Let's go to our savings binder next. What all is in here? Yeah, let's do low priority next. Actually, because, oh my goodness, if I can get it open. Okay, we're going to skip education. Let's do 5 in electronics. Let's do 5 in emergency. Let's do 5 in investing. Basically 5s all around. New car we're going to skip. New home we'll do 5. So that's 20. 130. I just don't ever want to hit 0, you know? So I might go back and add more depending on if we get through the rest of these. Okay, so then it's savings. Beach Babe, we're going to skip. Birthday can get 5. Birthday for me. Craft Corner. These are just the fun categories. Let's do 5 in crafts. Let's do 5 in games. I know that I need some makeup, so let's see how much this has. It has 20 currently. Let's just do 5 in that. Movies. Oh, I know I want to go see the new Moana movie with my daughter when that comes. Well, I think it already came out actually this week. So maybe it's going to have to be more than 5. But I also have the entertainment category that I can pull from. So let's do 10 for movies. Rainy day, let's do 5. I just pulled from this, so it's empty now. Style stash, we'll do 5. So I really am good on clothes right now. I like buying clothes. It's just fun. Sports, we're going to skip. Travel, we'll get 5. And this is my New Year's challenge. So let's scratch that and see what we get here. Let's just do this first though. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. 110 minus 45 is 65. So we have 65 left. Okay, let me get a quarter and scratch this challenge. Okay. Let's do this champagne bottle. Oh my goodness. Okay, it is significantly later. My camera died, but we scratched off this little champagne bottle, so we have $10 to save for this New Year's challenge. This is available in my Etsy shop right now. It's like $2.50. So go grab one. It's super cute. Love it. This one is saving $100. There's also a $200 option available, or really any total that you would like, I can create for you. So, so we have $55 left over, and so I'm just going to go back and see what we can add to these categories here, because we don't want to have anything left over really. So we're going to let's add some more to Merry Money. Let's make this 30, so that's $55 minus 10 is 45. Let's see what else we can add to. I think we need some more in subscriptions. Let's make subscriptions 20. So that's another 10. So we have 35 left. We're really good on cell phone, hair, transportation. Those are set. We could always put everything else towards debt, which might not be a bad idea. Let me think. Yeah, why don't we just do that? So we'll make this debt a total of 55, right? 35 plus 20. Yes, 55. So that will leave us with 0. So that's all $500. So let's go through. I'm going to tally up my amounts. I'm going to speed this up in the video, so enjoy. Okay, so we have our total tally marks here. So 3 times 50 is 150. 6 times 20 is 120. 10, 11, 12 times 10 is 120. 22 times 5, 110. Okay, so let's make sure all of this should total $500. 150 plus 120 plus 120 plus 110. 500. Woohoo! We did it, guys. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed. We have, I think, 25 subscribers now, which makes me so incredibly happy. I don't know why. It just is so, it's so sweet that 25 of you are so kind to click that subscribe button. Thank you so, so much. If you watched this video, especially all the way till the end, thank you so much for watching, for taking the time to just spend this little cash plan with me. And if you have any budgeting tips or suggestions or anything you'd like to see, let me know down in the comments. Let me know how your Thanksgiving was and what you guys have going on this coming week. I hope you have a great one.